This video explains how to install an optional 550 sheet tray onto a Xerox VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer. The VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer can support up to 3 total paper trays. Tray 1 is the standard 250 sheet tray that comes with the printer. The optional 550 sheet trays are installed under the printer. If an optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray is installed as tray 2, the optional 550 sheet tray must stack underneath the optional 550 plus 100 sheet tray as tray 3. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the 550 sheet tray and remove any packing materials. Lift the printer off the 550 plus 100 sheet tray. Place the 550 plus 100 sheet tray on top of the optional 550 sheet tray until it clicks into place. Lift the printer and place it on the top of the 550 plus 100 sheet tray until it clicks into place. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.